Okay, exercise 7.1 asks us to identify these various activities and determine if they're product, batch, unit, or organization sustaining. Okay, so let's go through and look at them and determine, if we can, which is which. Now, keep in mind that these are not absolute. Some of these are debatable. Some of these you could argue one or the other. I'm going with what the book says. I'm going with my gut. I want you to be thinking about how these various things work. Okay, various individuals manage the parts inventory. Well, that to me is pretty clearly product level because we're talking about parts, and that's what we put together for the product. So we'll call that product level. Let's go through and see if we have anything else that's product level. A clerk in the factory issues purchase orders for a job. Well, purchase orders for a job, let me label this so we don't forget. Purchase orders for a job, that wouldn't be for one product, that would be for a batch. So that would be a batch level activity because generally we have to assume that they're going to order a bunch of these things. So that would be the batch level, and we'll label that batch. And you could argue some points. Keep in mind we said day one, this is managerial accounting, so it is whatever the boss says it is. And since I'm the old guy, I get to be the boss. Okay, the personnel department trains new production workers. I don't think we can debate that. That is clearly organization sustaining because they train for all departments, so that would be organizational. And I think that one we don't need to talk about too much. That's pretty straightforward. The factory general manager, we can stop reading right there. General manager, that's sustaining, that's organizational. Let's take a look at the next one. Direct labor workers assemble products. Are they assembling batches or are they assembling one product at a time? Well, you can only assemble one product at a time, so that would be at the product level. So we'll call that product. And we'll look at the next one, and I'm sorry, one unit at a time. I said one thing, and instead, direct labor workers assemble products. What are they assembling? Individual products. So that's at the unit level because they assemble them one at a time. Sorry, sometimes you just need to ignore me, okay? So we'll make that look different. We'll make that a combination of the yellow and blue so we can have some color coding here, okay? And engineers design new products. New products? Are they going to design one new product and only make one? No, they're going to make a bunch of them, and that would be at the product level. Okay, now, generally speaking, in the homeworks and in the quiz and in the test, you're going to be told which is which, okay? And material shopkeeper issues raw materials for materials to be used in jobs. The Z part indicates to you that this is the batch level. And we've been using orange for the batch level. And the maintenance department performs periodic. Well, maintenance department is organizational because they fix everybody's stuff, not just a single department. So you could argue some of them, some are a little debatable, but that's the basic theory that they wanted you to have.